Here's the dark mystery hibiscus. No flowers yet. But there are definitely little buds. This is the plum crazy hibiscus, and still no blooms. There are the buds. This is my favorite one, so I'm really excited. And under the main buds, there are more underneath. Here's the midnight masquerade hibiscus. Still budding, no flowers. And the Luna red. The buds are even tinier. Whoa. And it's babysitting little baby birds. Wrens. Here's the Luna white. Definitely further along than the others. Still not blooming. And this other Luna white that didn't come back has this growing next to it. And man, this looks so much like it could be a hibiscus, but I don't see the same types of buds. So, could be just a weed playing tricks on me. You're messing with my emotions, weed. We're at the botanical garden and ran into a cousin of the hibiscus. And look, it even has buds that look very similar to the hardy hibiscus.